As I spend another night without a single thing to do, kept writing down this music I proceed to bring to you. And Billy hit me up, he got some way to bring it through. Then I better be that good and grab a pack of swishers too. That's what usually happens. Deserve some cool relaxing, smoking herb and laughing. I curb your enthusiasm. I'm just a regular kid at my crib, doing irregular shit, burning 5 spliffs. I'm so high, another night alone. So I put another cup and roll another zone. I'm gone, you ain't gonna bring me back. So gone, couldn't tell you where I'm at. Maybe New York, Philly, maybe Pittsburgh. You wanna find me, hit me on Twitter. Well, the sound mad lame. People love me, don't even know my last name. Waiting at the station till it's time, then I can board a train, heading to the fortune fame. Should explore my brain, see what I'm thinking about. Pull a little liquor, then I drink it down.
Cause it's just another night on my own, laying back as I light up my drone. It's just another night alone, I spend another night alone. Said it's just another night on my own, laying back as I light up my drone. It's just another night alone, I spend another night alone.
I turn my phone on silent, I need to get away. Put on J. Cole's warm up and let it play. I thank God for blessing me with life every day. And to my peoples who've gone, we'll meet at heaven's gate. I've been selling haze, but I'm sure there's better ways. I can get my pain and I just need to get it straight. Not left to say, now it's time for action. No more bullshit, no more relaxing. Rap this with passion, so I stay writing. Spend a couple nights and burn all the lights in my room. Stuck in my crib like blue. That's what I do, it's nothing new.
It's just another night on my own, laying back as I light up my drone. It's just another night alone, I spend another night alone. Said it's just another night on my own, laying back as I light up my drone. It's just another night alone, I spend another